Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a video all about a wash and go, but it's featuring NaturallClub Avocado full product line. I want to actually film this whole process with you guys just so whoever has my hair type or whoever is interested in their products can get an idea of how the products actually work before you guys actually buy them. So NaturallClub is actually known for their 100% natural hair mask. And it's avocado based, made with real avocados that you actually have to freeze the package and thaw it out when you want to use it. That's how real it is. And I've been loving those. So they actually came out with a full line of products, and that's including shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, curling custard, and even an avocado 100% pure oil, plus the hair mask. So that's 6 products and 5 new additional ones. And if you guys haven't watched my previous video using their hair mask, then go check it out right now. I'll leave it right up here. But I'm super excited to try these new products out, and they're all avocado based. They'll either have an avocado oil in it or it's actually made out of the real avocados. So because it's winter now, I was desperately in need of some moisturizing products, and so I'm going to put it to the test today, see if it actually hydrates my hair, because the weather is just too much right now. It's too much. I can't. If you guys end up wanting to purchase any of these products by the end of this video, then you could actually check out all the product links in my description box below, as well as a coupon code to save some dollars, like always. So if you guys want to see how I got my hair all nice like this, keep watching and let's get started into the video. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with the avocado cleansing shampoo. And with this shampoo, I noticed that the bottle is a lot smaller than the conditioner, and that's because a little does go a long way. It suds up really easily, and at first for me, I always associated sudding shampoo with sulfates and with the feeling of it stripping your hair. But with this shampoo, it has no sulfates, no silicones or parabens or any other drying alcohols, and it does not feel like it's stripping your hair. It does not feel dry, it actually feels moisturized. I also noticed that the shampoo left my hair feeling lighter, so it's like all the buildup was removed out of my hair. One key thing to know about this shampoo that I really like is that all the cleansing agents in the cleanser is naturally derived from glucose or coconut, which allows it to not be drying to the hair and is strong enough to remove dirt but mild to prevent stripping, which I think is really key, because I think everyone looks for a shampoo that really cleans your hair but leaves your hair moisturized at the same time. I think that's what everybody wants, and this shampoo actually does that. Next, I'm going to use the Avocado Conditioner, and this product actually has a lot of moisturizing agents derived from shea butter, coconut oil, castor oil, extra virgin olive oil that actually helps with detangling frizz, adding moisture, preventing hair breakage, locking in, and attracting moisture. There is actually some ingredients in this conditioner that actually helps to strengthen the hair and encourages hair growth. This conditioner has a lot of slip, and it really does make your hair feel moisturized, and it's really lightweight but creamy at the same time. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but a lot of the brands out there list fragrances as an ingredient, and you think, that's not harmful, but they actually contain very harmful ingredients. But with this company, all their fragrances are made with 100% natural essential oils, and that's why all the products in this line have a really strong scent. Okay guys, so I just came out the shower, as you can see, and my hair is nice and damp. So the next step of this regimen is to deep condition your hair right after you condition. And I feel like as soon as you get out the shower, that's when your cuticles are open, they're ready to soak in the moisture without having to use a steamer or anything like that, which I don't have yet. But I feel like this is the best time to do it. So this is the one that you will get with NaturallClub. It's a 1-pouch avocado deep conditioner, and this is specifically for dry hair. I chose dry hair because my hair tends to get a lot more drier, plus it's winter, so you know what that's going to do to natural hair. But you can either have the option to do damaged hair, and there's a bunch of other options as well. I'll link everything in the description box below, all the products, everything where you can find it, and all the information. And yeah, you can choose whichever one you want. So I'm just gonna open it up. Oh gosh. Oh! Like I said in my last video, this smells super strong. Oh my goodness, smells exactly like tea tree oil, to be honest. So it's a mix of tea tree oil, avocado, shea butter, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, lavender essential oil, vitamin E. So there's a lot of natural things in here, and it's 100% natural. So this is what it looks like. So you're just going to take a whole bunch, put it all throughout your hair. This stuff is really nice and creamy and thick, and it makes your hair feel so soft, like super soft. And I'm gonna try and focus on my ends. So I'm literally just gonna put a whole bunch. Oh gosh. Now you have to make sure that you're putting this in the freezer when you're not using it, because it is made with real avocados and you don't want that to spoil. And one thing I love about this deep conditioner is that even after you wash it out, your hair feels like gold. Like, it feels so good. It feels super soft, super moisturized, super strong. But I highly recommend, if you guys do have dry hair, it really, really helps. I really need to use it more often. So I'm going to just put it up now. And I'm going to let it sit for 20 to 40 minutes. Once time is up, you're going to go rinse with water and then come back and do your regular styling, which I'm going to show you. So now I'm ready to start styling. Yes! So first things first, I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner. So this is basically a lightweight conditioner. It has avocado oil, coconut oil, castor seed oil, and stuff like that. And it helps to just moisturize your hair. I always recommend applying a leave-in conditioner because, you know, moisturize as much as you can, especially for curly hair people. So I'm just gonna put a whole bunch because I have a lot of hair. And of course, focusing on the ends again. When I'm applying leave-in conditioners, I just section my hair into 2 sections. This really feels lightweight, and the first ingredient in this is water, of course. And really creamy but lightweight at the same time, which is good because you don't want to be piling on so much products, leaving your hair feeling really heavy, like you're just adding product on top of product. You want it to just feel natural. What I love about this NaturAll leave-in conditioner is the fact that it doesn't only target moisture, but it actually targets repair as well. Now, for those of you guys who are always on my channel, you'll know how I already do my wash and goes. But this time I'm using a different product. I am using the medium hold avocado curl cluster. So I'm gonna see how, I never actually used this yet, but I'm gonna see how it actually works. I'm really hesitant when it comes to custards and trying new gel type of products that are supposed to give you definition and hold your hair and give you a nice wash and go. I've had trial and error for almost all my life, and I always stick to one product because I know it works. So we're gonna see how this works today. Based on how this product looks, I'm gonna section my hair into tinier sections, just so I know that the product's getting all through it. Gosh, this is thick. This is like a legit custard. Oh wow. Okay, this goes on really smooth. And it's really shiny too. So this really glides onto your hair, and as you can see, the definition is really coming through. This is defined! Usually custards feel really heavy and thick, and when I'm actually applying it on my hair, it feels super, super lightweight. So I'm going to show you guys a before and after of the NaturallClub Curl Custard. This is the before. My hair is pretty defined from the deep conditioner, but this is the after. It's like super defined. There's no frizz. As you can see, this side is so much more shinier. This just looks super dull and frizzy. This is so much shinier. I think I'm in love with this custard, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Look at this definition. I'm so excited. So I actually have a hard time with my back pieces, like this for example, trying to make them curl, because my curl pattern back there is just, I don't know, it's just super, super frizzy, and it's hard to get my curls to pop. But look at this. It's actually defined and all the frizz is gone. I can't believe this. Like, oh my gosh, my hair feels amazing. My hair, guys, I'm not boosting. I'm actually not. I've never found a custard or a gel or anything that defines your hair that feels so moisturizing. And I think it's the oil. There's avocado and castor oil in here, I believe. And you feel it, like even my hands, they feel like it feels like you're just putting on an oil. And I actually love that. It's super lightweight. It's not like a hard gel. 𝗙𝗚𝘀𝗧𝗏 gel is very heavy. And that's why it worked so well for me, because it controlled the frizz. This is the before. As you can tell, there's like a bunch of frizz. But once I put the product in, all the frizz is gone. Look how shiny that is. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Definition. Okay guys, so I am done putting the custard in. And I can honestly say, in comparison to 𝗙𝗚𝘀𝗧𝗏, this actually trumps in more than one way. One of the reasons why I like this one so much better is because it's lightweight. The 𝗙𝗚𝘀𝗧𝗏 really weighs down and makes your hair really, really heavy. Even the gel itself, picking it up, is super heavy. This custard is actually really lightweight, and I've never actually had a lightweight custard before. They're usually really heavy. Another reason why I like this is because the feel makes your hair feel so moisturized, so soft. It feels like there's, I don't know, like I just can't stop playing with it. It just feels so amazing. Oh my gosh. Like, and it's super shiny. Just looking at my hair, it just looks so moisturized and so soft. And I can tell that this product is actually going to moisturize my hair because it does have oils in it. And I could feel the oils, like it's actually oily. And it did not let me down in the definition area, of course. Look at this. I did not expect this avocado line to do this. I'm so shocked. You guys don't understand. I never believed in custards, like ever. The only custard I ever believed in was 𝗘𝗂𝘀𝗂𝗧𝗏, and still that was super heavy. Even it didn't give off this really, really shiny, healthy look. I don't even think it had oils in there. Don't quote me on that because I don't remember. This though, like, oh my gosh, guys, I love this. I really, really highly recommend this product. Like, guys, I think I should just end the video here, to be honest. I'm sold. This product, I'm shook. Like, I'm actually shook. My goodness. This is so, oh my gosh, I can't stop playing with it, guys. Help me. Help me. I just want to play with it all day. I'm going to apply some more oil. And this is the NaturallClub 100% pure avocado oil. There's no other ingredient in it. It's just a pure bottle of goodness. Avocado oil is really, really good for your hair. Really beneficial. Locks in the moisture. Helps keep your hair moisturized. Helps for nourishing, even repairing your hair. I'm just going to take a dime size amount and distribute this all throughout my hair, because you can never go wrong with too much moisture. You can also use this just throughout your week when you feel like your hair is getting even more dry. My hair. Guys, my hair feels amazing. When I say amazing, like, you guys don't understand. So I'm gonna go blow dry my hair and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back and this is the result. This is after I've dried it. I am freaking loving this. As you can see, my hair is super defined. It still looks super moisturized. Even to touch, like, my hair feels soft. Like, it feels like a pillow still. And I'm just honestly shook. Like, I don't even know what to say to you guys. It feels so much better than 𝗙𝗚𝘀𝗧𝗏 gel, and that's what's getting to me. That's actually what's getting to me. Like, I never thought, I don't even want to say it. I feel like I'm such a traitor, but like, I love this result. It's super bouncy and lightweight, like they said it would be. My hair is still defined, and even though it's a medium hold, it's still holding my curls really, really good, more than I thought it would, because I never ever trusted custards. as I've said before. I do think they should actually come out with a stronghold. Just want to see how that would work. It's so soft. Okay guys, I feel like I'm repeating myself. I don't know, like I don't know how to explain it. Love that it's not crispy and it's not heavy. My hair feels like flowy and bouncy, and when I was using 𝗙𝗚𝗓 gel, my curls would be laying a lot more flat, kind of like that, and it didn't have this much volume to it. So I'm loving the results, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this full review on the NaturallClub avocado line. I really am giving my 100% honest opinion on these products, and I am in love. They really impressed me, and I think you guys should go out and get some of your own. Try it out. It's worth it. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And comment down below if you've actually tried their products or if you're going to try these products. Let me know if you have any questions about these products, and I'm glad to fill you guys in things I haven't mentioned in this video. Until next time, bye guys!